So hello guys and welcome to another video where I'm going to report you my just finished trading day. This is the second week, the first day of second week of our second challenge. So I'm quite excited because I have 4 days left of this challenge and I have to get my target, which is 5% for these whole 2 weeks, or let's say 0.5% per day. And I'm quite honest with you, I am behind. I am behind my goal considering today result, which I'm just going to report to you. So I just start today. We had I would say, a very that was not a challenging day in some sense. We had a range day actually, so it was not. There was no news. There was no massive movement, no volatility, and that is not something that I really like. And that is the reason that I'm not happy very much with the results. Today I got almost minus 3-4%. I will go through that. This was not just my day, guys. Anyhow, let's get started with the very first position that I opened here. I sold here, and you see, this is something, a position that I opened at, it was midnight. I opened the position at 15 minutes midnight. Why did I do that? The reason behind that is actually, guys, I just saw that this gap, and I was wondering because this is something that I've tested before. In most cases, the price, that is just my hypothesis. I have tested that it works sometimes, it doesn't work sometimes. Anyway, I sold here because I was hoping that the price will come to this price the day before the closing price, which happened, but later than I closed. I had closed the position, so I closed this position with 0.6%, which was almost 15 euros, I guess, or something like that, almost 0.5%, which means I had already got the target of the day. However, uh, as usual, I continued training, or let's say I just started training after 15:13 Central European time with American session, which was not that much successful. So let me replay. So we had 15:13 here, which we saw almost 0.2 or 3% prices coming down, and then the range has just started. I will change the time frame so we can see the range very clearly. However, here I was hoping of the prices going down, and we will just see why I have done that. You see here I mean that is kind of till here, let's say till here, till this 1 minute candle at 1647. I was hoping that it's going to be a up going trend, so I bought here. I didn't wait for the confirmation. However, this was a very short candle, closing yellow, so I was kind of disappointed. I waited a few minutes. You see the candles, and I closed at minus 2%, which was almost 40 euros or something like that. That was the first position that I closed today. Sorry, more than that. I closed in minus. So I continued, and I didn't trade for a few minutes, where I got out of nowhere. I bought again because I was exactly again hoping that I will reach the same TP, and this TP is exactly the highest price we had experienced before. Plus, this is in person exactly the same price, the same changes that we had here. So I was hoping again for the same profit here, upward here, which didn't happen exactly again. And as you see, I bought here, and again, guys, we saw the prices going the other direction. I even didn't close here. So I closed here, and I reached, I don't know, I reached again minus 4%, almost 4% of today. So the result, to summarize the result I have got for today, I have got almost minus 85 euros, which was 100 euros minus plus 15. and I have closed the day for minus 3% a half. So to summarize the day, I am not happy, and I had also to add this also. I had also closed some other trades in zero, so I have traded more, 2 or 3 more positions. So to summarize today, how was my behavior? I'm not happy about the number of trades that I have opened, the positions that I have opened. I could have done less. I am happy that I gave up, and the minus 3%, actually minus 6% is my very, very, very extreme red line, so I will not go behind that. Minus 3 was okay considering the fact that, know that let me change the time frame here. In 5 minutes, we see exactly that today after 15:30, after 9, even 9 o'clock to the morning, we had a range day, and a range day with this violation, or let's say tolerance, is not my day. So I just gave up. That is enough. It takes what it takes. Be patient. We had also started last week very worse than this, which we could finish it up very positive. So that is just the beginning. I'm not going to be affected by this tomorrow, and I'm going to continue tomorrow. As I said, I have got 4 more days left, so I'm going to be confident. I'm going to achieve my target for this challenge as well. So I hope you have done much better than I've done here, guys. I hope you have done some profits. If not, that is totally fine. I mean, we have just to stick to our rules. It takes what it takes, patience, time, and again, patience, patience, and patience. So, guys, I guess see you tomorrow with a better day and a better result. Stay tuned and have a good one.